Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you my recent ad performance report. So why I am going to show you this result or Facebook ad campaign report? Because I am working as a freelancer and I provide e-commerce business related service like Shopify website design development, WordPress website design development, e-commerce website design development, and WordPress SEO, Shopify SEO. Alongside, I also provide Facebook page promotion and Facebook post boosting. So, if you need any service relevant of my skill, then you can contact with me. So, that's why I want to share my recent ad performance report with you so that you can understand my skills, experience, and capacity before hiring anyone. So, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to my Facebook ad manager and now look at here the result. Last 2 months I have reached 92,000 people and post engagement 3,000, messaging converts started 600 plus, and right now just to look at one of my active ad. Here I have spent 3 into $71 and get 33 messages conversion, and I have reached 11,000 people or 11,000 my targeted customers. So that is very impressive. If you look in the same way, I have reached 23,000 people by spending just $3. Too much less or too much cheap rate that I have spent for this local ads. In the same way, I have others ad here. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service relevant to my skill or experience, you can contact with me. Also, I have service-based business, that is WordPress to Shopify migration. You can visit my website. Have a nice day. Bye bye.